Hindi makakaapekto sa plunder complaint ni dating ACO Bicol Representative Zaldico sa DOJ ang plano nitong maging state witness laban sa impeachment complaint kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Samantala hanggang ngayon wala pang resolusyon ang DOJ kung iaakyat na sa korte ang reklamo laban sa kanya. Si Marco Gonzales magbabalita.
Wala pang resolusyong inilalabas ang Department of Justice o DOJ hinggil sa plunder complaint laban kay dating Congressman Zaldico gaya ng kung ibabasura ang reklamo o tuluyang magsasampa ng kaso sa korte. Sinampahan ito ng reklamo sa ehensya noong Enero 5 at nagsagawa ng pagdinig ang DOJ panel. Walang isinumiting depensa ang dating mambatas. Paliwanag ni DOJ spokesperson Attorney Polo Martinez, patuloy ang ginagawang investigasyon ng DOJ at may sinusundan silang timeline para sa pagpapalabas ng resolusyon.
There are pending incidents currently, so it's still under investigation. Okay, as to when po submit yung re-release yung resolution, let's remember na may 60 days po from the time that the case was filed for the prosecutors to resolve the matter. There are so many moving parts po kasi. So, and that applies not just to the whole flood control issue, but to each and every case na pending before us related to that, to those anomalies. We do not need to wait for Mr. Zaldico to return here. If he does not wish to file his counter affidavit, that's his choice. The prosecutors will not be bound by his decision because again, we're working with a timeline of 60 days.
Samantala sa planong pagtestigo ni Zaldico sa impeachment laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr., ayon sa DOJ, hindi ito makakaapekto sa pagresolba sa reklamo.
Different matter na po yun in that case. No? These cases are done individually, independent sila of each other. So if he does testify in that regard, that doesn't affect what goes on here with respect to the plunder case against him.
Nabatid naman na natiling respondent sa plunder complaint si dating Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara kahit kabilang na siya sa Witness Protection Program bilang state witness sa flood control scandal.
Kahit admitted witness na po si Mr. Henry Alcantara, that does not absolve him or excuse him from submitting his counter affidavit. He will still have to file his defenses.
Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas kumahal, Margaret Gonzales, SMNI News.